There's the blind. The link will be in the description of this video. First thing I want to point out is there's these plastic pieces on the end that actually slide inside here. They're just to protect the ends, but when you hang the brackets up, you got to reseat them inside the window frame far enough so they don't impede with the inside of these brackets. There's, looks like a ½ an inch, so these have to go in the window frame. When you hang them up, you don't want to put them like flush right there. You're gonna have to come in a little bit to compensate for those plastic brackets that are decorative on the end of the blind. Very important, because I made that mistake on the first one that I put up. The directions for putting these up don't even talk about it. So there's nothing to read. It's kind of weird. So hopefully this helps somebody out. So I'm going to put on my head cam and go up here and put these bad boys in. There's two ways to put these brackets on. One is if the blind's on the outside of the frame, and then the second way is if it's on the inside of the frame. And of course you can see that I'm going on the inside, so the other way would be mount them out here, but that's not the way we're doing it. So it's very important, because if you start screwing holes and mount these brackets wrong, you're going to be swearing, because that's what happened to me the first time on another window. So I'm going to do it right this time. It is cold outside. First thing I'm going to do is put these brackets up, and I'm just going to mark them with my pencil and drill the holes. Hopefully I'm going to come in about that far. Hopefully I can see that. Got my 2 marks there. Hate drilling new, never been hole in here before. Oh boy. Make sure I'm in the right spot. Almost missed it. Right there. Yep. That's good. Use my drill bit, or my drill screw bit. Hopefully these go in pretty easy. If not, I'm gonna have to drive them in with my screwdriver. That's the worst part about hanging blinds. Just putting these goofy screws in. There's only 4 of them. 2 for there, 2 for here. Let's do the hard spot first. switches over here. One started. Little Mr. Flashlight. Ugh. White side's out towards the outside, the colored side is towards the inside. When you hang these, you're going to put the front piece up against the bracket as such. Now and then push it forward. Now when you tighten these, this whole blind's going to move to the right, probably about 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 inch. So I got it flush over here, and there's a gap right there, so you'll see what I'm saying in a minute. So when I clip this down, it's already starting to move. Alright, again. I'm on, and it clips over, watch. See how it moved? And then you gotta push it the rest of the way in. Okay, on. And since that side already moved, you ain't gonna move anymore. This one's pretty tight going in. So we're good. Centered. Last piece is this, which is real life there. This is some kind of puller thingy. Get some there. Yeah, it looks centered. This helps it pull down. There's the blind. There's some curtains here. These guys are a pain in the butt too. All right, that's that chore, which should have took 10 minutes. It took me 20 minutes. So hopefully whoever watches this will take them less time. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out.